Belize is a small exotic country with beautiful islands in Caribbean Sea. It used to be an English colony officially ruled by Queen Elizabeth II, but nowadays it is an independent country with its own government. We have visited islands Key Colker and San Pedro. The islands are really beautiful with amazing beaches, crystal clear water and reggae bars. The best thing to do is go diving around coral reefs where you can observe rich sea life. Belize has the second largest coral reef ecosystem in the world. People living here have strong connection with nature, and in one of the local beach bars you can even find a natural seahorse farm. The main transportation on island are bikes and electric golf cars, so the air is always fresh and you can enjoy island without noise of cars. People are really friendly, and if you need a ride, most of them will let you jump in their car. Another part which stand out are colored wooden houses all over the island. They have a beautiful architecture and colors are pleasure for your eyes. Once you get hungry, you should try Belizean food. You can choose from variety of fresh seafood or traditional chicken stew. The island felt very safe even at the night. The only downside is that it is a bit expensive and you have to pay fees when you arrive and also when you are leaving the country, which is up to your budget. But it is worthy as it is a beautiful, unique place and definitely should be on your list of places to visit. Some other things you should know that Belize has an official language English, so it's very easy to communicate anywhere. And the official currency of Belize is Belizean dollar, which is always twice the price of dollar. So 2 Belizean dollars is 1 American dollar. And when you are leaving the country, you will have to pay the leaving fee, which is about $20 to $30, which is quite unusual.
Nothing is quite what it seems. All the world is alright. Close your eyes, say goodnight.